everybody on this lovely Sunday morning. It is currently 33 degrees outside, and you know what that is? Spring weather. I know it's sad. I'm in Wisconsin and I got my spring jacket on because it is 33 degrees outside, and that's nice for us. So I am currently at Walgreens and I'm excited to share with you guys some of the deals this week. It is a brand new month is what they call it. That's when like all the IVC booklets that they used to hand out, but now they're all digital. That's when the whole month starts. So there's like deals that are going to be the same deal all month long. So pretty excited to see what's all for that. But it's not a hot week like it was last week. I do need 8 Ibotta rebates to get the Weekend Warrior for $5. And then there's like this impossible whatever bonus where I need 8 more rebates to get $7. So my goal is to get 8 rebates with Ibotta. I know for sure I can get 2 of them. So we're going to go and see if we can hit 8 today. Fingers crossed. Otherwise I will have to go to my grocery store and see what I can get today. But we're going to go inside and have some fun shopping today at Walgreens. If you guys are craving some candy, we have the Caramel Reese's Caramel Big Cup on sale for just $2. There is a 75-cent Ibotta rebate, making this just $1.25. So here we have the Dial hand soap. You got the foam or you have the regular. These are 2 for $5. We currently have $1 off of 2 digital coupon. You will end up getting these for just $2 or $4 for 2 of them. I know I used to stock up on this stuff all the time, which is a pretty decent deal. So here we have the Colgate toothpaste on sale. Some are $4, some are $5, along with the Colgate toothbrushes, again, $4 or $5, and then we have the mouthwash over there for $4. So what you can do is, I actually have a 5 off of 3 coupon, but we're not going to use that. We're going to use the 4 off of 2 digital coupon. So there's two different scenarios that you guys can do. You can get 2 of the $4 products. You will end up buying 2 of them for $8. You're going to use this 4 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $4, but then you will receive a $3 register reward, making them both just $1 or 50 cents each. Otherwise, you can get the ones that are $5. I know the sensitive one is $5. You're going to buy 2 of those. Again, you will use the 4 off of 2 digital coupon. You will pay $6 for the 2 of the $5 ones, but then you will receive a $5 register reward, making them just $1 or 50 cents. So you could go either way with the mouthwash, the toothpaste, or the toothbrushes. So great deal for that. Here we have the Head and Shoulders on sale for just $6. This seems to be like this price all the time when they have these deals, but you're going to get 2 of them for $6. We have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You will pay $9 for the 2 of them, but then you will receive a $4 register reward when you purchase the 2, making them $5 or just $2.50 each if you guys were interested with that. So here we have the Dove body wash. Now the bar soaps are a little bit more, and then the body scrubs I'm not sure included, but the bar soaps are $9. The women's body wash is on sale for $7. Now we currently have a 7 off of 2 digital coupon. So you're going to buy 2 of them and pay $7, but then when you buy 2 of the Dove products, you will receive a $2 register reward, making them just $5 or $2.50 each, which seems to be about the price we're going to be paying for Dove for a while. So here we have the Nivea Shave Foam for just $3.99. You're going to buy 2 of them and pay $7.98, but then you get a $5 cash reward. So you can do this deal as many times as you want in the same transaction, but you will receive a $5 cash rewards. Yes, you guys can pay with Walgreens cash to do this deal, but your final price comes out to be just $2.98 or just $1.49 each. So here we have the Old Spice, and then the Olay is regular price for $7. You're gonna buy 3 of them for $7, okay? That comes out to be just 21 bucks, but we currently have a 5 off of 3 Old Spice coupon, and then we also have a 5 off of 3 let me find it, a 5 off of 3 Olay coupon. Sorry you guys, I'm not prepared. we can find it. So long. Or if I didn't clip it, I don't know. But we have a 5 off of 3 Olay coupon right here. So what you're gonna do is you can buy 3 of the Old Spice body wash, or you can buy 3 of the Olay. Then you're gonna end up paying, using that $5 off of 3, you're gonna end up paying just $16. But then you will receive a $5 register reward, and then there's also a deal where if you spend $15, you'll get an additional $5 register reward, and I'm gonna go chance it right now. Comes out to be just $6. That's just $2 a bottle. So we're gonna see what works. So I just paid for the Old Spice and the thing did not work, but I did pay with points. So I don't know if you would get this if you did not pay with points. I could test it out for the Olay, but just wanted to share with you guys on that it did not print off, but we will see what happens next. Here we have the General Mills cereal for 2 for $5. We currently have a $1 off of 2 digital coupon that you will want to use. You will end up just paying $4 for the 2 of them, but there is an Ibotta rebate, and it is up to your discretion if you want to submit your receipt, but you can submit your receipt for $1 back off of 2, making these $3 or just $1.50 a box for the General Mills cereal. If you like the Arm & Hammer, we have these on sale this week for, actually they're all on sale for the whole month, but they're $9.99. We currently have a $4 off Ibotta rebate. You guys will just get these for what, $5.99, which is a pretty decent deal considering those are $7.49 for those little baby bottles, but great price for the Arm & Hammer. Did want to share with you guys on a certain deal. They have a lot of the Tide and Gain and a lot of the laundry products where if you buy 4 of them you will get a $5 register reward. So you can mix and match all that stuff. Make sure you do check to see what digital coupons you guys have, but you might be able to get an easy deal with those. Here we have the Febreze Air, the ones that are $3.29. Now we currently have a $2.30 digital coupon. So this ends up becoming, I think, just 99 cents for this. We also have one for the small places, again, just 99 cents for that coupon if you guys want to go ahead and use that one. Great deal. There is a deal where if you buy 4 of the $3.99 ones, you will receive a $5 register reward. I am not sure if you will receive it if you get 4 of the $3.29 ones, but I just wanted to give you guys a heads up with that. We also have these ones that are $5.49, and there's a $2.30 digital coupon, so you'll get this for like, I don't know, $3.20 if you guys were interested in that, if I did my math correctly on that. So, great deal with some Febreze. Hello, hello, hello everybody. I am back from Walgreens. So, there was a couple things that didn't turn out the way I wanted to be, and then there was a deal that I didn't realize it was this price until I got home and did my math. So, let's just dig in and I can share with you guys all that I got. Now, the one thing I don't like about being the first of the month, my store doesn't have all their tags up. So some of the deals I wasn't fully for sure on what was going on because they didn't have the tags up, but you know, I try to memorize the ad as best as I can. But yeah, so we're doing the deals at home because there was somebody outside of the store who was like begging, and I don't like filming when there's people begging. So there was a sign up that says if you buy participating brands or products, you're supposed to get a $5 Catalina. It said it on the Old Spice. So I thought we're gonna try it on the Old Spice body wash and then the Olay body wash, but either of them did not print off. So if it doesn't print off, there's nothing you can do about it because it's not really advertised. If there was a tag for the body wash or if there was a tag for that specifically, they should honor it. But since there was no tag for the body wash, but it was over by the deodorant. So I'm just giving you a heads up. So this was a fail for me, but I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on it in case you see other people telling you about this deal. But it could still print. It could still print. It just did not print with me. So the first deal I did is I did the Olay body wash. So these again were $7. I used that 5 off of 3 digital coupon. Paid 16 bucks for these. But I did end up paying with register rewards and I did pay with points and nothing printed off. So I thought, okay, nothing printed off. I did receive the $5 register reward. So when you do purchase the 3, you will receive a $5 register reward, making them $11 or $3.66, which is way too much money out of pocket, but I still wanted to share with you guys on that deal. So I did the Olay, and then I'm like, well, maybe I shouldn't have paid with points. Maybe that might have had it. So I ended up doing the Old Spice deal. And the Old Spice, again, is $7. You're going to use that 5 off a 3 digital coupon. You pay 16 bucks, and then you will receive that $5 register reward. So I paid with no points. I paid with no register rewards, and again, it did not print off. So again, $11 or $3.66. So it is a hit or miss if you guys can get those to print, but it did not print for me, and that is okay. I still wanted to share with you guys that deal. So I ended up having a fetch reward deal that just disappeared. I needed to buy one more box of cereal and I would have gotten 1,100 points, but it disappeared. But that is okay. So I ended up getting the General Mills cereal. These are 2 for $5. I wanted to get 2 of the Honey Nut, but my store only had the 1. But these are 2 for $5. There is a $1 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. You'll pay $4 for this. But then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta, which is up to your discretion. Some people do it, some people don't. But if you read like the small print, you technically can at Walgreens. It's a long story. But anyways, it's up to your discretion if you want to do $1 off of 2 with Ibotta. Making these just $3 or $1.50 each. Then you want to also make sure you submit your receipt to the box tops. You guys, I love submitting my receipts to the box tops. I actually have a referral below where if you click it, you get like more money back for your school. But I've already gained I already made like $26 this school year alone just by scanning receipts of General Mills products that I buy, especially at Walgreens and Walmart. So pretty great deal if you guys need some cereal. Now here's a deal that I had no idea it ended up being this good. I had no idea. So, and I checked the app when I got home to see if it was this good of a deal. So the Dove body wash is $7, okay? $7. You're going to use that 7 off of 2. You'll pay $7 for the 2 of these, but you will receive a $2 register reward. But I looked at my app, you guys. I looked at my receipt. So without that on sale price, it ends up becoming $5 or $2.50. But I looked at my receipt, and they were ringing up, buy one, get one 50% off. Buy one, get one 50% off. So $7 and $3.50. You're going to use that 7 off of 2. You will pay $3.50, but then you will receive that $2 register reward, making these just $1.50 or 75 cents. So great deal if you guys need some Dove body wash. Now it doesn't show it on the ad. It doesn't show it on the sign that was the sale sign. It didn't show that at all. So I'm just saying, I don't know what made it buy one get one 50% off, but those ones did. I didn't bring my receipt down here, but they were showing buy one get one 50% off. I ended up getting some Dial Foam hand soap. These were 2 for $5. There is that $1 off of 2 digital coupon. You would just get these for just $2 each or $4 altogether. I have a neighbor who's always asking for this soap, so I always get it for her. I got the Nivea Men's Shaving Foam, the Sensitive Shave Foam. These were $3.99. You're going to buy 2 of them, pay $7.98. But then you will receive a $5 cash rewards, making them $2.98 or just $1.49. You can buy this, you can do this deal many times as you want in the same transaction. You will get $5 for every 2 that you buy. And yes, you guys can pay with Walgreens cash to do this deal to get more Walgreens cash. I ended up getting the Head & Shoulders because this is the #1 thing that my family asks for anytime they need something from my stockpile. And I like to stock up on it. So the Head & Shoulders is $6. You're going to buy 2 of them. You're going to use that 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $9, but then you will receive a $4 register reward, making these just $5 or $2.50. And I've seen this sale, this price at Walgreens for the last several months. So I love it when I can get it cheaper, but you know what? I'm still okay with that. I ended up getting just this Reese's caramel bar. This was $2 on sale, and then you get 75 cents back with Ibotta, making this just $1.25. Now I got that because I needed 8 rebates for Ibotta. I only did three Ibotta rebates, so I just need 5 more. So I'm actually gonna go to my grocery store down the street today and get some, check out their ad and see if I can match anything to get my $5 or my 5 rebates, because I will get $5 and I will get $7, and you can't pass up that, okay? Ended up getting the Colgate Sensitive toothpaste because this is another thing that my family's always asking for. And I should start using it actually too. So I ended up getting the Colgate Sensitive. Now this was $5. You want to use that 4 off of 2 digital coupons. So it's either this deal or the other deal. You can't do both because it's the one coupon deal. But you would pay $6 for this, and then you will receive a $5 register reward for buying the $5 items, making these just, again, $1 or 50 cents. So it didn't matter what one you bought. I always bought the ones that I rarely ever get sales stuff on, so that's the reason why I got that. So, yes. And you will get points for purchasing the Colgate and the General Mills for the Fetch Rewards. So, that was everything that I got. I was going to do, like, the Febreze deal, and then I'm like, it's an all-month deal, and that coupon goes for all month long, so I might save my coupons in case they do another deal or something like that. And then I was, that's pretty much all I had. And I was looking at like the Scope and Oral-B Crest, but there just wasn't anything really popping up at me, so that is how I didn't do that. But altogether, my total came to $54.29. Now, I did not pay that price. I never pay that price. I paid with Walgreens cash. I paid with register rewards that I've gotten from the previous weeks. So that's how I always pay with my stuff. I always roll my register rewards. So I always like my register rewards that I receive today, I won't use until next week or the following week. So that's how I do it. I know some people like to roll them. Not all the time they do roll, so that's just up to you guys, but I always have a ton of register rewards that I have always floating around, so that is how I kind of just pay with my stuff. And then I always pay with points too. So my total came to $54.29. I ended up receiving $21 worth of register rewards. For points I received, or Walgreens cash, I did receive $12.68. I did have where if I spent, I can't remember how much it was, but I think if I spent, I think it was $40, I would have gotten $7. So I ended up getting $7 for a Catalina or a bonus that you clip to your thing. And then I also received the $5 cash rewards for the Nivea, so that's how I got $12.68. With Ibotta, I only received $1.85, and then with Fetch Rewards, I received 92 points because I had 3 receipts. That's 9 cents, you guys. 9 cents. Yes. But my grand total came to $18.67. I got 19 items at 98 cents each. So it wasn't like a big, hot shopping trip, but I'm still happy to share with you guys the deals. Like I said, my store was still putting tags up, so I was just trying to figure it out. My store is changing their hours. Instead of 24 hours, they're going to be opening from at 7 in the morning now, so they're going to be changing things, which is okay with me because then I can get an extra half an hour of sleep on Sunday mornings. But yeah, I'm still excited for that. But I noticed my store is now putting more cases in their area. Like I noticed in the what was it, the cleaning aisle, my store had more of those cases where they lock up the soap. So they had dish soap locked up. All of that stuff was locked up. It's crazy how much stuff is getting locked up because of people. And there was something else that they got locked up too that I noticed, but I can't remember what it was. But yeah, that was everything that I got at Walgreens. I'm pretty happy with what I got. Last week was a hot deal and I'm still loving it. I love it. If you guys have any Catalina deals that you know of, last week a lot of you guys commented in below of like the Catalina deals. And so I was trying to figure out like what we could get with the Catalinas. So yes, but I hope you guys have an awesome day. Hope you guys have an awesome week shopping at Walgreens. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week. See you later. Bye-bye.